Unlock the secrets of attraction in our latest YouTube video, 10 signs someone has a crush on you. Dive into the fascinating world of subtle cues and behaviors that reveal hidden feelings. From prolonged eye contact to playful banter, discover the telltale signs that someone might be harboring a secret crush. Don't miss out on decoding the language of romance. Watch the video now and unravel the mysteries of unspoken affection. Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome to another exciting episode of No Further Channel. Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of crushes. Have you ever wondered if someone has a secret crush on you? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore the subtle but unmistakable signs that someone might be harboring romantic feelings for you. 1. Extended eye contact. One of the first signs is extended eye contact. Extended eye contact is a significant non-verbal cue often associated with someone having a crush on you. This behavior involves maintaining eye contact with you for more extended periods than what is considered normal in regular social interactions. When someone has a romantic interest, they may find themselves naturally drawn to look into your eyes and hold that gaze longer than usual. So, if you catch someone frequently locking eyes with you, especially in group settings, there's a good chance they're interested. Pay attention to those lingering glances and see if there's a twinkle in their eye. 2. Frequent smiling and laughter. A person with a crush tends to smile and laugh more in your presence. Whether it's at your jokes or just when you're around, an uptick in their positive expressions could be a clear indicator that you've caught their eye. So, if you find that someone consistently lights up with smiles and laughter around you, especially when the situation doesn't necessarily warrant it, it could be a clear indication that your presence brings them joy and that there might be more to their feelings than meets the eye. 3. Body language mirroring. Body language mirroring is a subtle yet powerful sign that often signifies someone may have a crush on you. This behavior involves unconsciously mimicking the gestures, postures, or movements of the person they are interested in. Essentially, it's a non-verbal way of indicating a desire to connect and establish rapport on a deeper level. When someone mirrors your body language, it suggests a subconscious effort to create a sense of unity and understanding. This mirroring can manifest in various ways, such as adopting similar hand gestures, posture, or even subtly matching your pace while walking. It's a form of non-verbal communication that signifies a person's attempt to synchronize with you, both physically and emotionally. 4. Initiating contact. Initiating contact is a key behavior associated with someone who may have a crush on you. When a person is romantically interested, they often take deliberate steps to initiate communication and connect with you. Someone crushing on you will find reasons to initiate contact. This initiation can take various forms. This could be through text messages, phone calls, or even sliding into your DMs on social media. So, if you find that someone consistently initiates contact with you, especially when there's no apparent reason to do so, it's likely they are signaling a deeper emotional connection, possibly driven by a crush or romantic interest. 5. Remembering small details. Remembering small details is a significant sign that someone may have a crush on you. When a person is romantically interested, they tend to pay extra attention to the little things you say or share. This involves recalling specific details about your preferences, experiences, or personal anecdotes. The ability to remember small details reflects a genuine interest in you as an individual. It goes beyond the surface level of interaction and indicates that the person values the uniqueness of your personality. For example, they might remember your favorite coffee order, a specific hobby you enjoy, or details about your family or friends. If you consistently find someone remembering and referencing these small details, it's likely they are expressing a deeper emotional connection, possibly driven by a crush or romantic interest. 6. Teasing and playful banter. Teasing and playful banter is a distinctive sign that someone may have a crush on you. When a person is romantically interested, they often engage in lighthearted teasing and playful exchanges as a way to create a fun and enjoyable dynamic between the two of you. To recognize this sign, pay attention to the tone and context of your interactions. If you notice a consistent pattern of playful teasing and banter, especially when it's accompanied by genuine laughter and smiles. It's likely that the person is using this as a way to convey their romantic interest. 7. Increased nervousness. Increased nervousness is a noteworthy sign that someone may have a crush on you. When a person is romantically interested, they often experience heightened nervousness or anxiety in your presence. This nervous energy is a result of the anticipation and desire to make a positive impression. Observable signs of increased nervousness can manifest in various ways. For instance, they might fidget with their hands, play with their hair, or exhibit subtle changes in their body language. Additionally, you might notice a slight stumbling over words, pauses in conversation, or a blush on their cheeks, all indicative of the emotional impact your presence has on them. So, if someone appears a bit jittery or exhibits signs of nervousness around you, especially when the context is beyond the ordinary, it's quite likely that they have a crush on you, and the emotional intensity of the situation is playing a role in their reactions. 8. Finding reasons to be near. Finding reasons to be near is a compelling sign that someone may have a crush on you. When a person is romantically interested, they often seek opportunities to be close to you, even if those opportunities seem coincidental. This behavior is driven by an unconscious desire to be in your presence, creating more chances for interaction and connection. Observing someone finding reasons to be near you involves noticing their deliberate choices in proximity. They might choose a seat next to yours, position themselves strategically in group settings, or frequently appear in places where they know they'll run into you. These actions go beyond the usual social dynamics and indicate a desire for a closer connection. 9. Compliments and admiration. Compliments and admiration are key indicators that someone may have a crush on you. When a person is romantically interested, they tend to express their feelings through genuine praise and admiration for your qualities, achievements, or even your appearance. So, if you find someone regularly showering you with compliments and expressing admiration for various aspects of your life, it's a strong indication that they may indeed have a crush on you, and these compliments serve as a way for them to convey their feelings in a positive and affirming manner. 10. Engaging in personal conversations. Engaging in personal conversations is a telling sign that someone may have a crush on you. When an individual is romantically interested, they often seek opportunities to delve into more intimate and meaningful discussions. These conversations go beyond casual small talk and touch upon personal aspects of your life. To identify this sign, pay attention to the content and tone of your interactions. If you find that someone consistently initiates or enthusiastically participates in personal conversations, especially those that transcend surface-level discussions, it's a strong indication that they may have a crush on you. This behavior demonstrates their interest in understanding you on a more intimate level and signifies a potential romantic inclination. So there you have it, 10 unmistakable signs that someone might have a crush on you. Remember, these signs are not foolproof, but when combined, they create a compelling case for romantic interest. Keep your eyes peeled for these clues, and who knows, you might just uncover a secret admirer. Thank you for joining us today. If you've experienced any of these signs, or if you have additional insights, share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more insightful content, and hit the notification bell for more exciting content. Until next time, happy crushing!